Kocher takes over. Kocher digs across out from nowhere. Splendid effort. In possession. Still down again by Kocher, and it's come back to him. Two in the middle here. It's a very important clearance by Terry.
Well, good evening to you and welcome on this most perfect evening for a game of football. Conditions are absolutely splendid and the folk of this town have come out in their droves for this match. Why wouldn't they? It is an ideal circumstance for what could be an ideal game. Everybody has been attracted to it. It has been the talk of the town and the buses have been packed, double-decker buses lining up outside. Coaches have carried thousands of away supporters here too, and all of it adds up to make a terrific, a crackling atmosphere. The match, I think, will be quite a spectacle. Certainly this is a very, very impressive venue, quite a sight to behold. A moment of great pride, the anthems. Crowd rises for the national anthem of Nigeria. Two high-profile, high-caliber teams. This is a welcome event for all these supporters.
Well, get ready for some high-grade football, Peter. Two strong teams, as you say, full of wonderful individual talent. And we have every right to anticipate some really entertaining football. As to whether we'll see a high-scoring contest, that's a little harder to predict. I'm not complaining, though, because there are good players everywhere you look around this surface, and that's a fine start in itself.
We're underway. West. Big way. He spotted the run and played him through. It's been intercepted and that will come to nothing. Counter is on.
Oh, super tackle. They were outnumbered and under the cosh. That had to be spot on, and it was.
Tries to get it forward quickly. Troublesome, but eventually thwarted without doing any harm. He's got away. Back into the middle. Can he put it away?
Well, as Tesco, Peter, the keeper has just received an A+ grade.
Played it short, crosses it in. Last-ditch defending, but that'll do. Oh, that is lovely footwork. Cut out in the nick of time. Aimed long and direct. Real chance to break. Darno. Anything, Jim, to pick out of these early exchanges? Forward it goes. got through.
George.
Tries to stroke it through. The shot's on! Big relief, it just needed better contact.
Oh, no, that was a chance. What a chance.
Here it comes. It's good distance on it. Nigeria have it back and they can go again.
Davis.
Gets it back. Going through. And that's been levered clear. Gonna throw in.
Davis.
Done very well to intervene. Looking to break out here. Aimed long and direct. Keeper goes long. Crunching tackle. Nothing wrong with that tackle. Ball won cleanly. Right through the middle. Looking to get... Has a pop! And he's there to make a great save.
Oh, that's a sparkling save. Absolutely sparkling. His reflexes were ultra sharp.
Goalless, but it is not without interest.
Well, they could have had a bit more joy earlier if they'd varied their game and played along the ball forward. I think this is looking much more promising now.
He's got through. More than happy to take the muscular approach.
Peter, we can only applaud that quality of tackle in the circumstances. It was probably goal safe.
Keeper goes long. He's made sure that that won't get through. Yakini. It's one! The keeper's done ever so well.
Oh, that's a sparkling save. Absolutely sparkling. His reflexes were ultra sharp.
Keeper's ball. Oh, good interception. Little accusatory stare there tells the whole story.
Look, the game is full of ifs and buts. If only the pass could have completed its journey.
Yakini. Aimed long and direct. In towards the great lead! It's there! And Nigeria are ahead!
Nigeria are certainly a team that knows how to play their football as stylishly as we've seen. Tiki-taka at its very best, and they back it up with goals. Look, he's the one everyone expects to put the ball in the net. That's what he's paid to do.
Here it comes. Whistle's gone, just offside.
He just needs a cooler head to get that right. He got a little excited in his willingness to run clear.
Looking for space out wide. Shenton! That is a great ball, but not a great finish.
The timing of the pass and run was exquisite.
Cut out in the nick of time. There's another to add to football's endless list of could-haves and should-haves.
Nigeria just had to make the ball stick, but came up short.
Olasey. Played out to the right. Higuain chipped through, and it's got through. It's got paid to a promising move. Forward it goes. Oh, well intercepted, really alert to the danger. Good shot. And back to base. There's the end of the first half. So there you have it, a close-fought half of football that still had its moments, and ultimately produced just one goal.
Well, that certainly pleased the fans, and the players are definitely happy with that scoreline. The question is now, can they protect it?
The second half gets underway. Nigeria carrying a one-goal lead. To the keeper and go again. West. Higuain. Okocha. He's left his man. He's making good use of his strength there. Just refuses to be outmuscled. Defence got the better of him this time, but I'm sure he'll go again. Okocha. Higuain. Tries to get it forward quickly. And he's there to hook it away. They've got it back as soon as they gave it away. Olasey. Shakes the shoots. Just fizzes past the post.
Oh, it's such a good effort. Maybe the target really should have been hit.
Kalu. Babangida. Slightly better ball would have led. That could spell trouble. Goes long. Help's available out wide. Now can he finish? Trying to get there. Big chance! Really well taken goal. Well, from right in front of goal, there was no way he was going to miss.
I just think it's clever positioning from clever movement, and when all of that is synchronised with the right pass, that's what happens.
Well, this is what we've been waiting for. Look at the defender bombing forward. A reprieve, albeit perhaps momentary. Taken short. Oh, real chance! It's being played forward. It could be in here. Nigeria with a free kick.
Comes to mind, Peter. They've got them where they want them.
He's looking to get there first. Surely a shot. Can he put it away? Sticks it away. Back to within one. Interesting. Pretty simple finish in the end. What do you think, Jim?
And that's what the game is all about. Find space and finish, but we have to credit the passer to pick him out.
Threatening to become a really good game.
It was important they didn't get ahead of themselves and lose them.
The referee's awarded a free kick. It's been intercepted, and that will come to nothing. Boyd. Forward it goes. He could have been in, just needed a better final ball.
That was just poor decision-making and a weak execution.
Lovely bit of skill there. Dinks one in.
Peter, they have to fight the onset of desperation.
That's amazing! In once more. Gets up to head it! So close to drawing level.
Well, the lead may be fragile, but the keeper was focused and strong.
What a set. Very well to intervene. Made certain that won't get through. Kabaka needs to get it forward quickly. It's got through to him. He's got away. He's slid it through. Great low ball in.
Oh, how has that not ended up in the back of the net? It was a cracking ball in the way he drilled it across and kept it down too.
Beautifully done. Good clearance and very necessary. Forward it goes. Boyd. Well, the ball's come loose and the chase is on. Low. Keeper's got good distance on that. He's found his man. Gets into some space. Fires and hits it first time! He scored! Quite exquisite, brilliantly dispatched.
Oh, wonderful, just wonderful. What technical dreams are made of. It was unstoppable.
That has changed the dynamic somewhat. Right. Davis. He's through. Room for a There's a pop! Now then! Now then! This place is rocking and rumbling! Changes here from both sides, in fact. Having turned the game on its head, now can they hold out?
Well, the last moments now, Peter, are going to be very frantic. There's still time for a twist or two yet.
He's got away. Yakubu is desperately calling. Has a shot!
Nigeria have a simple task to find something sustained now and keep the pressure on.
Young. And he has been fouled there. And that's it. And in the end, it got away. They just weren't allowed to build on their lead.